Go ahead and try this question. If ampersand x comma y is defined as x plus y minus xy, and if ampersand a equals negative 24 and a is greater than 0, what does a equal? So this is one of these symbolic functions questions where the key is to realize that this is no different than the typical f of x type notation, in the sense that whatever you replace the x with in your little symbol, whether it's f of x or it's at or ampersand xy, whatever you replace those x and y's with, you want to replace them in your equation, in your formula, accordingly. It's basically pattern matching. So in this case, we're told that ampersand x comma y is equal to, or is defined as, x plus y minus xy. And then we're given this thing ampersand a comma a. Now notice we're replacing the x with a, and we're replacing the y with a. So that means in the equation, we're going to replace the x with a and the y with a. So we'll do that. We get a plus a minus a times a. Now here's the other key. We're also told that this ampersand a is equal to negative 24. So this is also testing the difference between the input and the output, which I've talked about before when talking about functions in particular. So in this case, this is the input. These a's are what we put into the equation, and the output is negative 24. So this should equal negative 24 because this is the output. It's kind of like, I don't want to say the y value, but it's the value of the function, right, at a particular set of inputs, in this case a and a. So we now have an equation that we can solve for a, because we have 2a plus, or 2a minus a squared is equal to negative 24. So I'm going to move everything to one side of the equation. I'm going to move these over by adding a squared and subtracting 2a from both sides. That's going to get me a squared minus 2a minus 24 equals 0. So now we'll factor this. So this will be minus 6 and plus 4. So a is going to equal 6 or negative 4. Now in the question, they told us that a is greater than 0, so we're going to take this solution. So the answer to this one is 6. To learn more about Reason Prep's SAT, SAT subject test, and ACT video courses, go to reasonprep.com/enroll, and you can find the link in the description below the video.